post-COVID, the world will look at India to provide the way of life because
I think आपने एक बड़ी ही interesting बात की है in your entire sentence which you created, that the environment is clean, the air is clean. We celebrated 50th Earth Day 2 days back on 22nd April. And amidst the entire crisis, when human beings are suffering, the nature seems to be flourishing. We see animals on the street. We've seen flamingos in India, in Mumbai for the first time in years. So any climatic change which you see drastically is different in the villages. Something which you have observed.
See, villages have, if you look and if you compare, villages have generally been fairly clean compared to the urban areas. So it is just that the generally villages or a village life is bustling with a lot of energy and people talking to each other, living in having a charpai beneath a tree and talking to each other. So that has somehow stopped a bit. People are even in the villages are more inside their house, and either they go to their farmland and come back to the house. So the air has generally been clean. It's just gone more cleaner. I think the main change has happened in the urban areas. I'll give you an instance. In front of my house, there's a beautiful garden. Now, for the past 4.5 years, I did not find any bird coming up. But now my morning is about chirping of birds, and every day I find a new bird. So that has been the change. So it is, as it is said, right? Human beings used to think that they own this planet. Now the whole thing is that human beings are just one of the species on this planet. And your civilization, personally, if you have studied primarily, has been about community living and not about greed, but about need. And slowly the world is also realizing that. And I think post-COVID, the world will look at India to provide the way of life, because COVID has brought everybody to the same level, whether you are rich, poor, or anything. At the end of the day, it is not the materialistic living which primarily is important. COVID has taught us that you need a balance in life, and the real thing which matters in life is just not the size of your car or the the size of your wallet. What matters at the end of the day is whether you are healthy and whether you have those relationships with which you can speak to.
Yeah, I think this time which we have got off from our usual routine is also giving us some time to self-reflect and see what we are doing, where we are going. So in a way it's good, in a way it's bad. A lot of people are suffering. I feel bad about them. But then there are some positives and we find happiness in them.